Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Pat and welcome back to my sneaker channel. In this video today we're going to be talking about the Adidas Confirmed App, which is basically Adidas version of the sneakers app. This is where you can find all the Yeezy releases and all of their collab shoes that they have. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment down any questions that you have regarding the Adidas Confirmed App. And if you have not done so already, make sure that you go check out the video I made for the sneakers app. Yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. All right, so for the Adidas Confirmed App, honestly, there aren't that many tips and tricks that I can give you, but the ones that I'm going to give you are super valuable. These are ones that you have to pay attention to and make sure that you do every single time. All right, so for tip number one, the one thing I can tell you to do is spend money on Adidas. Adidas has a ranking system that they go through that is like different tiers. Right now, I'm a Game Changer, which is the second highest tier. The highest tier you can go to is Icon. People say it doesn't really do anything for you, but once I hit Game Changer, it's done a lot for my account. I've been able to win more, and I've even gotten exclusive access. I was never getting any of that before. So you can tell that they pay attention to who's buying. So make sure that you're spending money on Adidas. It doesn't have to be anything crazy, but at least get to the Game Changer status, which is really not that hard. If you're trying to get stuff on Adidas already, just make sure that you connect that to your account. So if you're going into the store or if you're buying online, just make sure you log in so that you can get those points. The second thing, which is one of the most important things, is when the draw is open on Adidas Confirmed, make sure that you get the 3D secure checkout. I've noticed that every single time that I use my credit card, I never get the 3D secure checkout and I never win anything on that credit card. But once I use my debit card, I always get a 3D secure screen. Basically, that screen is validating your payment. Well, it's basically telling them that the payment that you're using is a valid payment method. So it goes through. If you don't get that screen, you're definitely not gonna win a draw. I've never won a draw when I did not have that screen. And the last tip that I can give you on the Adidas app is that a lot of people don't know that they have in-person reservations for sneakers. So if you're trying to buy, for instance, a Yeezy shoe or a foam runner, you can go on the Adidas app and basically they have these things called My Events. And with those things, they have retail drops for those types of sneakers. So if you're looking for them, why only enter on Adidas Confirmed when you can also enter on the Adidas app and you can actually pick it up? That's basically their version of Sneaker Pass. Like, you can basically enter that draw and they'll tell you if you won. And then you have to reserve a slot to go and pick up your shoe. Most of my shoes that I've gotten from Adidas, I've won through that actually. I'm guessing a lot of people in my area don't even know about that, but do it. Like, you have nothing else to lose. It's a better chance for you anyway. And you get to get your shoe sooner. Although Adidas is pretty fast with shipping, why wait for shipping when you can go pick it up? But yeah, like I said, there's not that many tips for Adidas Confirmed, but these are the most valuable things I can give you. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm here. But for now, I'm out.